Welcome everyone. I will say thank you for choosing me to be your instructor in this Excel course. Today we are going to talk about Excel and how we can benefit massively from Excel. I mean Microsoft Excel. We start by saying, what is Excel? The Excel worksheet is an electronic ledger created by the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Excel is nothing more than a series of rows and columns separated into cells. In a way, the table is just another form of workbook. A table is only one of many object uses that can be inserted into an Excel worksheet. A table serves so many other functions than a worksheet can or is meant to do. So the essential use of Excel include data entry, data processing, accounting, financial analysis, charting and graphing programming, time processing, task management, and customer relationship management. Almost everything that needs to be organized. You can use Excel to organize yourself and your business. Here are some uses of Excel. When you open Microsoft Excel, this is the greeting you get. You can see, welcome to Excel. You can create a drop down and get drop down tutorial from here. Formula tutorial will be here. So these are some of uses. Personal monthly budget, seasonal illustrated. You can see. Go through it and learn more about uses of Excel. Before we start the demonstration, go and get to know your Excel. If you want to know the version of your Excel, come here, go down to account. After account, come down here about Excel. This is my version 2207 build 64-bit. So you can see the version of your Excel and you can know more about the version you are using, the limitation of the version. So if you want to know more, see you in the next lesson where we talk more about Excel.